Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting review for you. We'll be discussing the GTW680BSJWS washing machine, a popular appliance known for its advanced features and efficiency. In this review, we'll dive into the design, performance, features and overall effectiveness of the washing machine. So let's jump right into it. Let's start by talking about the design and build quality of the washing machine. This model features a modern and sleek design, complementing any laundry room. It is well built and steady, ensuring durability for long-term use. The control panel is intuitive and user-friendly, allowing for easy operation. The overall design and build quality of the washing machine are impressive. When it comes to performance, the washing machine excels in various aspects. It offers a generous capacity, allowing you to wash larger loads efficiently. The machine incorporates advanced technologies such as the precise fill feature, which automatically measures the right amount of water for each load, saving water and energy. Additionally, the dual-action agitator provides thorough cleaning by rotating and reversing directions, ensuring even distribution of detergent and better stain removal. The washing machine offers a wide range of wash cycles and options to cater to different fabric types and cleaning needs. It includes standard cycle like normal, heavy duty, and delicate, as well as specialty cycles such as bulky or bedding and towels and sheets. Moreover, it provides options like extra rinse and deep feel, allowing customization for specific requirements. This versatility ensures that your laundry is cleaned effectively and according to your preferences. The washing machine is packed with convenient features that enhances the overall laundry experience. It has a time display so you can easily monitor the remaining time for each cycle. The machine also has a delay start function, enabling you to schedule the wash cycle to start at a later time, providing flexibility for busy households. Additionally, the machine has a durable glass lid, allowing you to monitor the washing process without interrupting it. To conclude, the washing machine offers an excellent laundry solution with its advanced features, efficient performance, and user-friendly design. Its versatility and convenient options make it suitable for a variety of fabrics and cleaning needs. While it may have a minor drawback, overall, the GTW680BSJWS washing machine delivers on its promises and ensures a satisfactory laundry experience. That's all for our review today. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.